In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a workspace in Slack. Whether you've recently changed jobs or you're simplifying your digital footprint, knowing how to gracefully leave a Slack workspace is an essential skill. Let's make this process smooth and stress-free. First, let's log into your Slack account on your desktop or mobile. Open up the Slack application or visit Slack's website and enter your login credentials. It might sound basic, but it's the first step to ensure you have access to the workspace you intend to leave. If you're already logged in, even better, you're ahead of the game. Next, focus your attention on the left-hand sidebar once you're in. This sidebar displays all the workspaces you're currently part of. If you've joined quite a few, you might have to scroll a bit. Just take your time to locate the specific workspace from which you wish to depart. Spot it? Great! Now hover over the workspace name with your mouse and click on it. A drop-down menu should appear. This menu is your gateway to the next set of actions, so being extra careful at this stage helps prevent any mishaps. Look for Settings and Administration or something similar. This terminology might vary slightly depending on Slack updates, but it's often intuitive. Within the Settings and Administration menu, find Workspace Settings. Clicking on this will redirect you to the workspace-specific settings page. It might seem like we're going a bit deep, but don't worry, we're almost there. Here's where the real action happens. Scroll down until you spot the option labeled Leave Workspace or something similar. Once you find it, a word of advice: take a moment to ensure this is the workspace you want to leave. There's often no turning back or immediate method to rejoin without an invitation once you're out, so double-check your choice. When ready, hit Leave Workspace. Slack often prompts a confirmation screen at this point, just to be sure. This additional step is a standard safeguard, preventing any unintentional departures, which could be problematic in busy workdays. Confirm your decision, and voila, you're officially out of that workspace. And just like that, you're all set. Leaving a Slack workspace can be necessary for various reasons, and now you know how to do it confidently and securely. If you ever need to join again or another workspace altogether, simply find the invitation in your email or request access from an admin. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to drop any questions in the comments below. Until next time, take care.